Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to set up a Google Analytics 4 account and how to install it on your WordPress website using WP Code plugin. So just to note, as of the 1st of July, if you do have universal Google Analytics installed on your website, it's no longer going to be processing data. So you do need to install a Google Analytics 4 account and then reinstall it on your WordPress website. If you don't do this, you won't be tracking any data, so make sure you do this before the 1st of July 2023. So you can have a look at this article that I have up on screen. I'll make sure I link to it below if you want to check out more about Google Analytics 4. Okay, so first thing we want to do is we want to come to Google Analytics and then we want to create an account if we don't have one already, or we can sign into an account. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to create an account. Okay, there we go. I have created a Google account. If you already have a Google account, you can of course just log in. Once we've landed on this page, we are going to click on this blue button that says Start Measuring, and then we can start setting up our Google Analytics 4 account. So the first thing we need to do is give our account a name. So I'm going to give it the name of my website, and then I'm going to put GA4 afterwards. It's just easier for me to then reference back to it and know it's a Google Analytics 4 account. So let's say, for example, my website is Nicola Tweed Test, and then I'm going to put GA4 after that. The next is your account sharing settings. So Google processes your Google Analytics data required on maintaining things according to their terms and conditions. So they've got some data sharing options, and you can have a read through here and then tick what is appropriate to you and then click next. The next is you want to give your property a name. So let's say, for example, again, you can call it NT Test Website and GA4. And then you want to put in your reporting time zone and your currency. So I am in South Africa and my currency is South African Rand. And then I'm going to click next. Next, we're going to put in our business details, and this just helps Google understand your business a bit more and give you the right analytics. So you want to try and choose your industry or your category that is really specific to your business. That way Google's going to give you better analytics, and they are a bit bizarre, these categories. So just choose whatever is relevant to you. So I'm going to say business and industrial, and then my business size is small, 1 to 10 employees, and then I'm going to click next. Next, we're going to choose our business objectives, and this is where Google is going to generate reports for you. So you can let it generate lead reports, online sales, raise awareness, examine user behavior, and just generally your business objectives. So you can tick what is appropriate to you. So I'm just going to tick those ones, and then I'm going to click create. Okay, now I need to accept the Google terms of service. So obviously I want to choose the area that I am in, so South Africa, and then I'm going to accept those terms. Of course, you can click here to learn more and have a read of those. Okay, so there we go. Our property has now been set up. So Google Analytics 4 has been set up, but it's not yet tracking the data on my website. This is where I need to go to my website and install the WP Code plugin. So this is the WP Code Insert Headers and Footer plugin. This is a free plugin, and all you need to do to install it is to come to your website. You're going to come to plugins, you're going to click add new, then you're going to come to the top here, type in WP Code and click enter. Once you're here, you're going to install the WP Code plugin, and once it's installed, you're then going to activate it. Okay, so now that we have it activated, we can see code snippets here on the left-hand side, and we're going to come to header and footer, and this is where we are going to paste in the Google Analytics 4 code. So we're going to come back to the website and we're going to click here where it says web, and then we are going to paste in here our URL of our website. So I'm just going to come to my test website. I'm going to copy the URL and I'm going to paste it in here. Just take that out and that. and then I can give my stream a name. Now this stream is for your eyes only. No one else is going to see this name, so you can just type in website. And then you've got some standard default settings. You can leave those as is, and then you can click create stream. Okay, so that has now generated the stream. The next thing you need to do is to install the tag. So you're going to come up to the top here where it's this little brown button. You're going to click on that. Then it's going to open the installation instructions, and then you've got different options of how to install it. So on WordPress, you can also use a plugin called SiteKit, and I do use this on several different websites. I'll make sure I do another tutorial video showing you how to install it with SiteKit. And then you've also got Monster Insights plugin that you can use. But for now, what we're going to do is we're going to click on this tab that says install manually, and then we're going to come here and copy this code. Then we're going to go back to our website and we're going to paste this content in here, and then we're going to click save changes. Okay, our settings have been saved, so that has now been installed on your website. So we're going to close this and close this again, and we're going to click next here, and then we're going to click continue to home. Here it's asking you if you like any email communications from Google. I'm going to uncheck all of them and click save. I don't want emails from Google. And then I'm going to come to this reports here on the left hand side to double check that it has been installed on my website. So what you want to do is come to real time, and then you're going to go back to your website and click on your website, and you can either browse around your website or do whatever, and then it's going to track data, and then it should pull through here and you'll see that someone is on your website. Okay, so there we go. You can see that I'm on the website and that is tracking in real time. So Google Analytics 4 has been set up on my website correctly, and it's now tracking data. Okay, so that's the process of setting up a Google Analytics 4 account, installing the WP Code plugin, and installing Google Analytics 4 on your WordPress website. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Make sure that you do this before the 1st of July this year. And if you have any issues, then comment in the box below. I'll happily help you sort it out. And I'll see you soon for another video.